It is the start of a new week for school and for work, and I think the weather breaking us in very gently indeed, actually. Cloudy, but a lot of dry weather, so not a bad start at all. Here's the cloud across the British Isles, and this arc here, extensive rain that's starting to push in to the northwest of Scotland. But that's really our only blip in the weather at the moment. So some fairly persistent rain to the northwest of Scotland for the rest of the afternoon, but there will be some breaks in the cloud for the northeast and some brighter skies to the east of the Pennines as well. But I think it's going to be brighter rather than sunny spells coming through. East Anglia in the southeast corner, a lot of cloud around, I think, for the afternoon, but a mild afternoon with 9 degrees. And certainly along the south coast, perhaps not quite as warm as you had yesterday, but nevertheless not too bad. But again, extensive cloud. Now, we might even get the odd spot or two of rain, I think, into Devon and Cornwall, and also across for much of Wales for the afternoon. But into Northern Ireland, a cloudy and dry affair. So that's the scenario for the rest of the day. But I think that rain in Scotland will stubbornly sit to the extreme north and west for the evening and for the overnight period. And there could be some heavy pulses mixed in there with some gale-force gusts of winds on exposed coast. But elsewhere, we're really looking at a relatively calm night to come, and a mild one, particularly in comparison to what we've had of late. So, generally speaking then, we're around 6 to 8 degrees across the country. 7 degrees, a lot of cloud first thing in the morning for London and East Anglia, moving up towards the Midlands as well, calm and dry and mild start, and the same too for the northeast of England and Scotland. But there might be 1 or 2 showers ahead of that frontal system, but that'll still be stubbornly sitting in the far north and west of Scotland. If it starts off dry in Northern Ireland, make the most of it. It's not expected to last. That rain will arrive later on. There'll also be 1 or 2 showers perhaps along the Cardigan Bay, but it will be a mild and overcast scenario into the southwest. Perhaps the freshening westerly wind will bring 1 or 2 showers a little later on. So that's going to be the scenario for Tuesday morning. Eventually that rain will gather and start to descend south and east across Scotland into Northern Ireland and gradually pushing into the northwest of England. We'll also see more showers developing into Wales and the West Country, but mild in the southeast with 10 degrees and certainly mild in the northeast. Now make the most of it, because as that rain clears away, we introduce a northerly flow, and that's going to make it certainly feel a little bit fresher. So as the rain clears, I think on Wednesday, yes, we'll get a little more in the way of sunshine, and it'll feel quite pleasant. But increasingly up into the far north, we'll see 1 or 2 showers developing, and these will become wintry in nature. So in terms of temperatures, 5 to 8 degrees, but with that northerly flow, it'll feel certainly fresher. And as I say, Anna, if it's sunshine you want, you'll get it on Wednesday.